Let f is a function from real to real where twice a differentiable function. This is important, twice differentiable, such that f of 1 upon 2 raised to the power n is equal to 0, and this is true for all natural number. Then we have to find f double prime at 0. So what is given and what is the importance of double or twice differentiable function, you will see here. As f of 1 upon 2 raised to the power n is equal to 0, and this is true for all natural number. It means that we can consider limit of f at 1 upon 2n is 0 as n tending to infinity. We can write this one as, so by sequential criteria of continuity, sequential criteria of continuity, what we have, if xn is a sequence converging to C, then f of xn will converge to fc. Using this one, we have 1 upon 2 raised to the power n converging to 0 as n tends to infinity. Means f of 1 upon 2n will converge to f0, and we have as given this one is equal to 0. So f0 is nothing, 0. So we have the value f0 is 0, and f of 1 upon 2 raised to the power n is also 0. Now using this one, so we can use Taylor's theorem here. Using this one, we can write f of 1 upon 2 raised to the power n around the point 0 is equal to f0 plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power n f prime 0 plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2n into f double prime 0 divided by factorial 2, and you can write factorial 1 here. We write this one using Taylor theorem. Because of we need to find f double prime, and f double prime is also come in Taylor's theorem, and using Taylor's theorem we can write any function in polynomial structure. As you can see, these are few terms in polynomial structure type. So f of 1 upon 2 raised to the power n can be written as f0 is nothing, 0, and this is also 0, means the left hand side is 0, plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power n factorial 1 is 1, and f prime 0 is this, plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2n into factorial 2 is 2, so I can write 2 here, f double prime 0 using this one. So what we have 0 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the power n f prime 0 plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2n plus 1 f double prime 0. On comparing both sides, or coefficient of f prime 0 is 0 and f double prime 0 is 0. So this problem can be asked in two ways. What is the f prime 0 and f double prime 0? So whatever asked, both solution is 0. So this is very important problem, and it is a miscellaneous problem using differentiability, continuity, and the you can understand here what is the meaning of twice differentiable function. If twice differentiable function is not known to us, then we cannot write this function as using Taylor expansion in two terms. So twice differentiability is given, and you can understand the motive